Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best silicone cloth is probably one of the most versatile materials you've never heard of. From its incredible heat resistance to its non-stick surface, this stuff is a game changer. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of silicone cloth, exploring its amazing properties and uncovering the best ways to use it in your everyday life. Get ready to be amazed by this flexible, durable, and surprisingly useful material. Number 5. BIRCHWOOD KC Silicone Cloth, Gun, Sporting Equipment. Keep your firearms and equipment in top condition with this cloth. It's designed to provide a protective barrier against rust and corrosion. This cloth is a must-have for any gun owner. This cloth is pre-treated with silicone, making it ideal for cleaning and lubricating. The silicone helps to remove fingerprints, dirt, and other debris. It also leaves a protective layer. Made from lightweight cotton, this cloth is easy to handle and won't scratch surfaces. Its 11x14 size is perfect for various applications. You can use it on guns, reels, and other precision instruments. This cloth is suitable for a wide range of sporting equipment. Whether you're cleaning your gun or maintaining your fishing reel, it's a great choice. It's also safe for precision instruments. Simply wipe down your equipment with this cloth for a clean and protected finish. It's easy to use and requires no additional cleaning products. It's a simple solution for maintaining your gear. What we like. This BIRCHWOOD KC cloth is incredibly easy to carry around. It's perfect for quick cleanups on the go. If you're a hunter or sport shooter who values convenience and needs a reliable cloth for field maintenance, you should definitely consider this one. What people say. The silicone-infused fabric effortlessly removes fingerprints, smudges, and dirt from my firearms and fishing equipment. It leaves behind a clean and polished finish, making my gear look brand new again. It provides a protective barrier that helps repel moisture, dust, and other contaminants. It does a good job of removing fingerprints and such, and leaving a protective film. Number 4. Silicone Microfiber Gun Cleaning Cloths, 2-pack. Keep your firearms in top condition with this silicone cloth. It's ideal for maintaining your guns and other sporting equipment. This helps to ensure they last longer and perform better. This thick, soft microfiber cloth is pre-treated with pure silicone. It allows you to clean without causing any scratches or damage. The material is designed to be gentle yet effective. Simply wipe away dirt and fingerprints, and it leaves a protective film. This makes gun parts shine again quickly. It's a fast and effective way to maintain your equipment. The 12 by 12 inch cloth is the perfect size for cleaning. It's durable enough for any difficult cleaning job. You can easily reuse it by storing it in its original packaging. This versatile cloth works on all guns and their parts. It's perfect for polishing metal, wood, and plastic surfaces. It's a great gift for any hunter or sport shooter. What we like. This cloth ensures a scratch-free cleaning experience. Its large size makes it perfect for tackling tough cleaning jobs. If you're looking for a cloth that offers both effective cleaning and surface protection, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Works fine. It works great for wiping down guns to remove any fingerprints and dust. I use these all the time to clean my guns. Number 3. NP12x12 Microfiber Gun Cleaning Cloth Rags. Keep your firearms in top condition with these cleaning cloths. They are designed to provide the right amount of silicone for optimal cleaning and protection. Made from high-quality microfiber, this cloth is gentle yet effective. It will safely remove dirt and debris without scratching the surface. The lint-free design ensures a clean finish every time. It's perfect for polishing and protecting your firearms. Each cloth measures 12x12, providing ample surface area for cleaning. Its size is perfect for various cleaning tasks. These cloths are infused with silicone for added protection. It helps to prevent rust and corrosion, extending the life of your firearms. Whether you have a pistol, rifle, or shotgun, this cloth is suitable for all firearms. It's a must-have for any gun owner. What we like. This cloth is designed with the right amount of silicone. It provides excellent protection for your firearms. If you prioritize the longevity and performance of your guns, you should choose this one. What people say. Came as advertised. Worked well on my rifle. Without using oil, it protects the gun from rust. These are nice silicone rags that leave guns looking clean in between deep cleanings or after handling. I have used to clean a 12-gauge shotgun, and it does the job perfect, taking out all the old oil grease from previous shooting. Number 2. HOPPE'S No. 9 Silicone Cloth. This cloth offers superior protection. It helps safeguard against the harmful effects of acids and moisture, ensuring the longevity of your equipment. Take it with you for quick maintenance. This cloth is perfect for on-the-go care, allowing you to keep your gear in top condition wherever you are. It's pre-treated with silicone lubricant. This feature ensures smooth operation and helps to maintain the performance of your items. It's ideal for guns and fishing equipment. The cloth is specifically designed to meet the needs of these items, providing effective cleaning and protection. It removes fingerprints and corrosive oils. This helps to keep the surface clean and prevent damage, maintaining the appearance of your equipment. It polishes and coats with a protective finish. This cloth not only cleans but also enhances the look and provides a layer of defense against wear and tear. What we like. This cloth offers superior protection against corrosive elements. It's perfect for quick maintenance in the field. If you like a cloth that keeps your equipment in top condition, this is the one for you. What people say. Silicone cloth is a great product. The cloth is easy to clean. It is very durable. Number 1. ProShot Cleaning Cloth, 100% cotton flannel. This cleaning cloth is made in the USA. It's designed to keep your equipment in top condition. You can trust it to get the job done. This product is proudly made in the USA. The quality is guaranteed. It's a reliable choice for your cleaning needs. It's made of 100% cotton flannel. This material is soft yet effective. It will gently clean your items. The cloth is double treated with silicone. This treatment enhances its cleaning power. It helps to protect your items. This product is perfect for hunting. It's designed to keep your equipment clean and ready for action. It's a must-have for any hunter. What we like. This cloth is proudly made in the USA. It's double treated with silicone for enhanced performance. If you value quality and want a cloth that's built to last, you should consider this one. What people say. This cloth effectively removes dirt, grime, and fingerprints from my firearms, leaving them spotless and well-maintained. Made from high-quality materials, the cloth is durable and can be reused multiple times without losing its effectiveness. After cleaning my gun, we wiped it down and it looked better than it came from the factory. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.